Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
Five best edge clamp reviews. Number 5. Emerson Tool Company C50 Straight Edge Clamping Tool Guide. Lightweight aluminum frame for durability. Doesn't require any C-clamp for straight cuts. Extra wide low profile rail for obstruction-free cuts. 50.25 inches jaw capacity for easy cuts. Brand, Emerson Tool Company. Weight, 4 pounds. Model, C50. Color, multi. Size, 50 inches. Dimension, 1.8 and 260 and 3.5 inches. Number 4. Borah 543,050 clamp edge saw. Rigid aluminum made straight edge guide helps to make straight cuts. Modular design can expand its capacity up to 100 inches. Can be used with any portable power tools including circular saws, jigsaws, and routers. Brand, Borah. Weight, 2.4 pounds. Model, 543050. Color, metallic silver. Size, 50 inches. Dimension, 65 into 3 into 1.5 inches. Number 3. Borah 540,936 clamp edge tool guide. Can be used with many portable power tools including circular saws, jigsaws, and routers. Swivel head can hold workpieces firmly up to 22.5 degrees. Straight edge guide is made of rigid aluminum that can make accurately straight cuts. Brand, Borah. Weight, 2.9 pounds. Color, silver metallic. Model, 540936. Size, 36 inches. Dimension, 51 into 2.5 and 2.8 inches. Number 2. Borah 54260 clamp edge, 50 inches. It is used especially with WTX saw plate to make precise and straight cuts. With optional accessories, you can expand your cutting capacity. Constructed with heavy gauge aluminum, the WTX is strong and durable. Brand, Borah. Weight, 2.4 pounds. Model, 542060. Size, 50 inches. Dimension, 53 into 3 into 1 inches. Number 1. Bessey 1XXX edge clamp. Highly durable, easy to install and use. It can be used with any clamp bar. Spindle threads allow high strength roll. Includes a locking knob to attach with the bar clamp. Brand, Bessey. Weight, 12 ounces. Model, 1XXX. Dimension 4.5 into 11.5 into 1.2 inches.
All the products are available on Amazon, and we listed down their Amazon links in the description. Check them out to know which one is best suited to your needs. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching it till the end. Hope you liked it and all your confusions have been cleared up. If so, then go and give a thumbs up. If you are new, consider subscribing to our channel for our future video notifications. We review all sorts of products based on our audience demand to make your decision easier. Please let us know which product you owned from the list and why. Also, let us know if we missed any of your favorite products which deserve to be here. Put the name of your products that you want to be reviewed by us in the comment section below. As always, we put the links of these mentioned products in the description below. Check them out for their best prices and details. We are not permitted to mention the prices in this video. So, cheers with the best one!